Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table. Now today's product I've been waiting for so long. It's been about a month since I ordered it, and it is basically a credit card knife that folds up into a regular knife and folds back down into a credit card sized piece of plastic and metal. But what's nice about it is that it's only about the thickness of maybe 2 or 3 credit cards put together back to back. So this product is very portable, and that's what I love about it. It fits in your wallet. It's very convenient to have. We're gonna open this thing up. We're gonna check it out. It's on eBay for just $1, people. $1. I'll pop the link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Lots of future products coming in. I've got a bunch of them here that I just got. We're going to be doing those reviews pretty much every single day, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, let's get started. Alright guys, so we got our packaging here. It's a little flimsy, not very protective. It does have a little bit of bubble wrap going on, but it doesn't matter. This product is probably durable. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out our product. Boom. Is there anything else in the package here? That'd be a go, no go. Okay, so now it does have another layer of plastic around it. That's nice, you know, keep that metal nice and shiny, scratch free. Go ahead and take it out of that plastic. And here you are. Look how thin this is. That is ridiculously thin. That is the thickness of 2 credit cards put back to back. That is absolutely insane that it is that thin. And it's your standard credit card size knife. What it's got here is it's got this little knob here that turns around. It's kind of your safety lock. So you go ahead and turn that around, and when that's lined up parallel with the blade's able to fold out like this. And what you do is you fold the blade straight out like that. I mean, obviously it's got to get used to folding, because this is the first time it's ever been folded. And then you fold this end that way. I'm sorry, it's just a little scary the first time. I feel like something may break, but well, I have faith in my Chinese friends over there, so we will see how it holds together. Now, as you can see, these holes line up with little plastic pins, and that basically locks your knife into place. So as you can see, it just transformed from a credit card to a knife. It's literally transformed into a little pocket knife. Now I know what you're wondering. Is this knife sharp? Can it cut things? And how durable is it? So I'm gonna go get a piece of paper so we can test out the razor sharpness that it could possibly contain. And we will see, you know, if it holds up, holds a blade, holds sharpness, we will find out. Alright guys, so there's multiple ways you can test the knife's sharpness. One way I find to be very convenient is you take your fingernail and you put the blade along it, and the more grab that blade has on the fingernail, the sharper the knife is. And this actually has a decent amount of grab along the entire blade. It's not sliding off easy, so that tells me it's got some sharpness. Another way you can test the blade sharpness is to cut a piece of paper, and you know, the smoother it does a cut, the better the knife is, the sharper it is. So let's go ahead and test that out. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay. Struggled a little bit with that cut. Oh, but not that one. Oh, yes. So, wow, okay. This knife is very sharp, I will tell you that. Razor sharp, if that. I will stick by that claim. That is a very sharp knife. As you can see, it sliced through the paper. Yes, I know it's paper, but a knife that is dull will grab onto it kind of like it did there and tear instead of slicing right through. This sliced right through, which tells me that it is a very sharp knife, which is very convenient that they come in the package as a nice sharp tool. That is very convenient. That is very nice. Okay, and you go ahead and pop it like that. You fold it up, twist it there, and then you're locked and loaded, and you're ready to put it in a wallet. So I'm gonna go get a wallet and see how well it fits. Alright guys, so we've got our credit card knife and we've got our wallet. So what makes sense is to go ahead and put these bad boys together. And look at how nicely that fits right in. Just like any basic card, any basic credit card, that is fantastic. You could put it in the front. My preference though is to go ahead and put it in the side as so that way it's even more discreet. No one really knows you have it till you go ahead and pull that thing out and you got yourself a knife. It's a very nice little tool to have, very convenient. That is the folding credit card knife. Alright guys, thanks for watching that episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Today's product turned out to be very, very nice quality. I would say I would pay probably upwards of $5 for something of this quality, but it is only $1 on eBay. I'll pop that link in the description. You really can't beat the price. Fantastic product. It's got 5 stars from me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing products just like this and reviews and plenty of projects as well. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Have a great day and don't get shot.